Hey guys, let's talk about staking your castle nut. Staking your castle nut can be very important because under fire, your castle nut can come loose and your whole receiver extension can come apart, and that will result in a gun that does not work. So you guys could use either a regular punch and a hammer or a spring assisted punch, or spring loaded punch rather, like one of these you can buy off of Amazon. So what we have here, I already staked one side of this with that punch earlier, but I just want to show you how to stake the second one. I think mil spec is double staking, so that's what we're going to do today. What you want to do, guys, is find with the tip of your punch, okay, right in between the thickness of the end cap, I guess you can say, end plate, and you just want to push down on it. Now it is spring loaded. If you don't know how this works, is you'll push on something, it'll tighten that spring, and then it'll release a striker. So, and you'll have to do this multiple times if you're not using a hammer. So you just want to find that spot right there till it clicks, right? Inspect it. Now you might have to do it 15 times. Take a look at it. It's getting better. We'll have to do it some more. Once you have a decent enough dimple, you can actually angle the punch more like this, so you're poking it in this way, just so you fill in this gap on the actual castle nut with material right there. And that looks really good. So yeah, guys, that's all there is to it. Let me know what you think about it.